Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video and a view into Huck's World. And yes, I know the weekend has arrived and yours truly is off this weekend. Now I got an awesome watch face for you guys to check out. It's worthy of a download. It gets my stamp of approval, and on top of it, it's free for the taking in the Gear Manager store. But the thing is that I don't believe it's gonna stay free over the weekend, so I wanted to shoot a video out right now to give you an opportunity to download this awesome watch face. So with that being said, let's kick off this review. All right, you all, let's check this one out. This one here is by AWF. This guy got down. This guy always gets down on some nice analog and digital watch faces. Now, this one is nice. Now, it's geared toward fitness, so if you're going to be working out for the weekend, this would be a nice one to have on your wrist to keep track of your step status. Also, if you're going to be dressing super casual, this is still a nice look on your wrist. All right, but I like the way the analog hands look. They light up, very stylish, very premium. You get a nice green second hand that's ticking around the bezel of the watch as well. At the top, you're going to get your heart rate information. Down at the bottom, you're going to get your calendar, and you're going to get your alarm down at the bottom as well. Now, you are going to get a graph that's going to give you information on your battery, floors climbed, miles walked or ran, and calories burned. Going to get your step info, and you're going to get your step status right here to let you know how much of your goal you have completed. Now, I do like the look of the index as well, kind of give it that classic look. And the watch face isn't active, so if you need to go in and take a look at your heart rate status, you can. Same thing here with the calendar and the alarm. Now, tap over that, and you can pull up your calendar. I tap down here, right there on the icons, I can bring up my S Health information. Now, if I want to customize the index, check this out. Double tap, and you can get rid of it. That's totally up to you. Now, if you double tap in the middle, you can change your status so far as your info is concerned over here, but I haven't been anywhere, so it won't show. I apologize about that. But other than that, all in all, this is definitely a download. But the question is, at the end of the day, what did you think? Is this a download or leave it right where it's at? All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you guys have the greatest weekend ever. Enjoy family and friends. But most of all, remember, be safe. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.